who has question?
I do.
Everybody. Okay, small one question. What do you think?
In the purport, one purport by Srila Prabhupada in the Teachings of Lord Kapila, he says that women are inferior to men, and I was wondering if this is true.
स्त्री नीच जाति है, नीच कुल है, ऐसे लिखा है पॉपुलर में श्रील भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज in which book?
Teachings of Lord Kapila.
I mean, this is saying not all the ladies. Those ladies are
not properly behaved, not following etiquette
not
of
following
society.
the etiquette bad
society.
As like what is called prostitute, stupid nonsense, rascal. What do you think? What contest is saying? They are saying not for the thing all the ladies. You are thinking lady means all ladies. Don't kill the Brahmanas. That means except Brahmanas kill to everybody. What do you think?
No.
So
Don't kill the cows.
don't kill the cow. This you are saying this is Jiva Hinsa. Tolerance is a great virtue. He is saying that. Do you understand this? So what contest is saying, you have to understand. Understand? All ladies are not fallen. Those who are following the rules of the society, doing bad things.
To check it works first.
You have to go from the other side.
What you do to follow check what if you say, so why the Shastra saying early in the morning have to remember the 5 ladies' name. Then we feel free from all the sin. Draupadi, Kunti, Tara, Draupadi, Tara, Kunti, Ahilya, Mandodari. Panchakanna Nityam Pratasmaret. Prata means every day when wake up early in the morning, remember the 5 ladies. They are called also Panchakanna. Kanna, understand? What is the meaning of Kanna? Kanna means those who have no attachment with the any persons. They have no children, nothing. They are called Kanna. Kannaka. And if you say also Draupadi have sons, and Mandodari have sons, Kunti have sons, Draupadi, Kunti, Ahilya, they are the sons. Actual, their body is transcendental body. Even they have no, ladies, monthly, not the kind. So, understand? But they gave the birth baby, that is transcendental. Why the Yogamaya she arranged this way. Understand? Draupadi is not ordinary lady. Draupadi she appeared from where? Where did he took birth? Fire. You take birth from fire? So, Draupadi is not ordinary lady. Actual Draupadi is called Chaya Sita. Understand? Chaya Sita. Chaya means shadow Sita. This is also means. Even she also, what is called, become the Sarga Lakshmi also. First she Chaya Sita, then Sarga Lakshmi, and then Draupadi. So 3 births. So how possible say Draupadi is ordinary lady and she will give birth the baby? Yogamaya doing this way. Draupadi, Kunti she is not ordinary lady also. All their life history is written in there. But look like they also gave birth the baby, this. I say their body this transcendental. Their body also actual transcendental body, Sachidananda. Yogamaya arranged this way. So, Shastra saying this way. Even also criticize the men. Those men are not following the rules, they are stupid nonsense. Even Brahmanas, that is called Brahman Bandhu. Brahman Bandhu, those who are fallen Brahman. Brahma Bandhu. Brahma Bandhu. Bandhu means not the friend. Here Brahma Bandhu means fallen Brahman. Those Brahman not following the rules and regulations of the Shastra. Understand? Those Brahman are drinking alcohol, not following the rules. They took birth the Brahman family, but not following Brahman. That is called Patit Brahmana. Patit, fallen Brahmana. As Sanskrit word, that is called Brahma Bandhu. Yeah, Bandhu means not the friend. Brahma Bandhu. So, what contest and what saying in this way? So, saying this way. Ladies are, some people are thinking, oh, ladies are less intelligent. Actually, ladies are not less intelligent. All ladies are not less intelligent. Some ladies are very intelligent. Gayatri Devi. Understand? Who can compare with what is called Gayatri Devi? Deva Mata, Vedo Mata, Gayatri. Okay, you can understand with it. Nityananda Sakti. What is her name? Ma Jannavi Devi. Who can compare with her? She is not ordinary. Ananga Manjari. Understand? So you can say, oh, Ananga Manjari, what is it called? Ma Jannava Devi Nityananda Sakti. Nityananda Sakti, Ma Jannavi Devi. Nityananda Devi, she is lady, so also what is it called? Inferior, you can say this. Even also they coming in this way. Those who are doing bhajan and sadhan, he is higher, but she is higher. Jai bhaje, sei bada abhakt inchar, Krishna bhajaner nahi jati kul adi vichar. Kul adi vichar. There are no consider about caste, creed, ladies and gentlemen. Even there the Lakshahira, she was Vesha, prostitute. But with the assistance of Haridas Thakur, she became great devotee. Sei se Vesha hoila parama manti bada bada Vaishnava jare darshanati jante. In the great Vaishnava used to go to take darshan, the lotus feet of Lakshahira. Before she was fallen. Even taking their name, it would be go here. Or now she is great devotee. Look, and all the Vaishnavas is saying, all the Vaishnavas they are going to take darshan, her lotus feet. So saying this. So you can say ladies, how is the ladies?
As a preacher, if we're distributing these books, it says in the book, women are inferior, women are less intelligent.
Are you trying to understand what context is saying? Women are inferior.
But it's just...
All the women are not inferior. What context is saying this way? Women are not inferior. If you do bhajan, then those who are not doing bhajan, they are inferior. Those ladies are not doing bhajan and sadhan, not following the rules, they are inferior. Simple. Even the male person not following the rules, he also inferior. Understand? The sannyasi not following the rules, also they are called bantasi. Bantasi, understand? Eating and vomiting. As like dog. Dog eating and cannot digest, then eating some grass, something this. Then again after when you are hungry, then after few hours eating his own vomit. So that means those who are fallen. Saying this way. So everywhere Shastra our saying always what is nirveksha rup,
Look from the neutral point.
Neutral point of view explain this. But what context is saying? So all sannyasis are bantas, you cannot say this way. You understand? You are trying to understand. Same question everybody asks to me. Oh, ladies are inferior. But they are not reading these books. Answer this way. Mother is where did you take birth? To ask to him. Your mother is inferior, you are also inferior. Stupid nonsense. Your mother is not inferior. Why are you saying this? These are things. Also saying this way, there are those who took birth from the womb of, what is called, prostitute. So they are saying also Besaputra. Understand? Inferior. So Shastra means Dasi Putra, Vesha Putra, there are many also who are using for this. But even he take birth anywhere, Dasi Putra, but he do bhajan and sadhana, he is higher. I like? What is his name? Vidur. Vidur, he took birth from maid servant. Maid. But Krishna took prasad in the house of Vidura. And Vidur is the minister of Dhritarashtra. Higher position. Because he is bhakta, pure devotee. So take birth anywhere, this is not the subject. Subject is those who are the bhajan and shab.
Our first guru is mother. First guru is mother.
So try to understand this way, this is the philosophy. Only one word taking, oh, if ladies are inferior. So who is senior? Higher? Gents?
He said
There is no.
that Vedic culture is perfect because women are under the control of men. He said Vedic culture is perfect because women...
This is the rules of the society. Vedic culture first explains this way, rules of the society. If the lady, general lady, is not controlled by the men, then they will not follow the rules. Then society completely destroyed, because society completely depend and structure depend on the ladies. If mother is not good, who will give the teaching to the children? Father is Vedic culture. Mother, she is taking care of the children. You understand? Father generally he goes to work and maintain his families. So you are teaching from where? From mother. Mother is drinking alcohol. So baby looking or not? You try to mother smoking, doing bad things. That impression is going. This is why. All our impression, 50 or 70% impressions coming when the child staying in the womb of his mother. You try to understand this way. When baby is staying in the womb of mother, that 70%, 70% impression coming from his mother. You cannot believe this way. For the Vedic culture is saying this way. And all our impression, everything coming from our mother. Mother should be follow the rules. This is the fault. For this Vedic culture, this is Vedic culture is saying this. First Vedic culture is saying this. Structure making. This is the process also. So for this we have to follow these rules. If your mother is not good, how possible good impression coming from his son? So this is the things. But there Narad Rishi, when Prahlad Maharaj, he took birth from the womb of, what is it called? Kayadhu. You try to understand this. How Prahlad Maharaj is a great devotee. Prahlad Maharaj himself told, when I was the womb of my mother, then the good impression coming with the association of Narad Rishi. Even not in this also, Gauranga Maharaj also explained, when Hiranyakashipu associated with Kayadhu, that time he remembered to Vishnu, opposite way. You understand? You read Gauranga Goswami Maharaj explained why Prahlad Maharaj is a great devotee. When that time, what is it called? When Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu, he went to austerity to Brahmaji. Then he chanted this mantra, Brahmane Namah, Om Brahmane Namah. Then one parrot coming, then saying, Om Vishnave Namah, Om Vishnave Namah. And that time Hiranyakashipu chanting this name. What is name? Om Vishnave Namah, Om Vishnave. Then he goes, why I am chanting my enemy's name? Then he returned back. His mind very disturbed. Then this is not a good time to meditate, austerities. Then he returned back. Returned back and meet with his wife, Kayadhu. Then Kayadhu asks, you went to meditate with Brahma, how do you come back? Well, they one parrot disturb my mind. How did he disturb? They saying there, why I am chanting, oh Vishnave Namah. And I chanting, Om Brahmane Namah. And that the parrot chanting, Vishnave Namah. When this way, this is him coming. Then he met with Kayadhu and this in her, in Om Prahlad Maharaj. Anyhow, if you chant, remember to Krishna and Vishnu and give birth the baby, there is a devotee will come. Saying this way. That is called Garbha Sanskar, Garbha Dharan Sanskar. Vedic culture is saying this way, Garbha Dharan Sanskar. This is not for your subject. Chalo. Bhagavatam. So I am saying this way. Shastra is saying this. Vedic culture is. Or if the woman, ladies drinking alcohol, stupid nonsense, watching, what is it called, bad picture, and that all everything got impressed in the heart of this small baby. Understand this? This is the process. Vedic culture means this way. And except Vedic culture, everything is Asura culture. He is saying this way. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj explained this. Vedic culture is perfect culture and everything, scientific way, everything. Scientific culture, this whole thing. Ved is saying everything. This is the process.
So one parallel verse in Bhagavad Gita where Krishna says, I am the intelligence in women. In Bhagavad Gita, one verse is saying, I am the intelligence in women.
I am intelligent.
I am the intelligence in women. Just like he's saying, I am the fire, the heat in fire, his opulence. Krishna is showing his opulence in that chapter. He's saying, I am the intelligence in women.
I'm the intelligence.
Yeah.
This is the translation I read. It's
What translation is going to?
word translation.
Gurudev, I have another question. Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he said that only those who have good qualities, they can be humble. He gives one example that one rich person, if he's telling I am poor, then he's humble. But if one poor person is telling I am poor, then he's not humble. So
He is humble, but he is saying real. I am poor, I am poor. This is not humble. The simple way. Eh?
So, in the beginning, sadhak has no good qualities. So, what is this karpanya in the verse?
He's saying, I have no knowledge. This is true. Two persons saying. One person is saying, I have no knowledge. He have no knowledge. Really, he have no knowledge. Or who has great person, he have vast knowledge, also saying, I have no knowledge. Because knowledge is vast. Both are saying absolutely truth. And you cannot acquire the all knowledge. Only Bhagavan. Bhagavan ke sarvagya. Sarvagya is
All-knowing.
He is all-knowing. He is a vast of knowledge. Both are saying same word. But when you compare the one poor person, it is saying, I have no knowledge. Or another intelligent person is saying, I have no knowledge. Both are same. Same understand. Both are correct. Humility coming in the stage of prema dosha. As like Nanda Maharaj is saying, I have no love and affection with my son Krishna. For because Krishna is not staying with me. Krishna now he is staying in Mathura with Devaki and Vasudeva. Still I am living in this body. Why? Ramchandra Ambari, Nanda Maharaj gave example. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. When Dasharatha Maharaj separate from Ram, and Dasharatha Maharaj cannot tolerate his body. Haram, then he left his body, give up his body. Because Uddhav tried to explain, hey Nanda Maharaj, you are great fortune. This contest is coming. What contest is coming? Uddhav, he tried to explain to Nanda Maharaj, hey Nanda Maharaj, you are Mahabhagavan, great fortune. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. And now Krishna as like your son. So you are very fortunate, great fortune. Then Nanda Maharaj is saying, hey Uddhav, you are saying, I never think my son is Bhagavan. Okay, you are saying, for this guy given example, and if anyone is separate from Bhagavan, he cannot survive his life. For Nanda Maharaj gave example, we heard Ramchandra is Bhagavan. And Ramchandra, when he left, what is called? Exile. When Ramchandra exiled in the first, then Dasharatha Maharaj cannot survive separation from Ram, and he gave up his body. Or my son, Krishna, you are saying he is Bhagavan, or my son is Bhagavan now? Left me. Now here. So but still I am alive. So what is my love and affection? A love cannot survive, tolerate these things. Nanda Maharaj is giving this way. যদি হয় যোগ কবু না হয় বিয়োগ বিয়োগ হইলে তবে সে না জি হয় যদি হয় যোগ if once you meet with Lord you cannot separate from him or if you separate you cannot survive, you have to die. This is the prem. যদি হয় যোগ কবু না হয় বিয়োগ বিয়োগ হইলে কবু না জি হয়. For this guy, yesterday I told, actually love is not this material world. Love is what? Transcendental world. Not this material world love. We are saying love, love, love. But what is the meaning of love? Saying I love you, then I hate you. And I... So this is not love. Love is very confidential thing. In this material world, Just also we are saying because love and lust look like same. For this regard, we are saying love. I love you. Sweet words. Love, this word be sweet or not? When you use this, oh, I love you. How do you hurt it? When I stupid nonsense, then you become very angry. What is the love? Love word is very sweet, this is true. But this love word only manifests in Golok Vrindavan. Vaikuntha love is there, but their love is not complete. Aishwarya buddhi is there. Dwaraka, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. Love is there, but their love is mixed with Aishwarya. Aishwarya Misrita Prem. What did he say? Aishwarya Misrita Prem. Love mixed with opulence. Our Golok Vrindavan, that is the pure love, Suddha. So saying, Jano Jammu Nado Hem Niloke Na Hai. Hem, understand? Hem means gold, pure gold. Understand this? In this material, pure gold miniature, how many are the carats?
24 carats.
And this. But love is pure, Shuddha Prem, in Golok Vrindavan. And that Shuddha Prem, Visuddha Prem, manifests in the heart of the Braj Gopis. Braj Gopis Prem, that is the highest. And Sakha Prem also there. Vatsala Prem there. But Gopis Prem is topmost. Many times it is given, because that Prem is Kamatmika. Nanda, Jasoda, Subharshidam, their Prem is called Samandatmika. Samandatmika and Kamatmika. What is the difference? What is Samandha? The first relationship, according to relation, you are servicing. So servicial mode is what? Secondary. Or Samandha? Primary. You understand? They are saying this. Madar Jasoda, she serves to Krishna. Why? Krishna is my son. This is Samandha, this coming. Mamata coming this way, according to relationship. Then according to relationship, then also servitual mood coming. Seva coming to according to relation and mamata. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. This is the definition about prem, love. Ananya mamata Vishnu. Ananya, no unknown. That is mamata possession is not going to any demigod, demigoddess or others. Only Vishnu. Here Vishnu means Krishna also. Krishna one name is Vishnu. So Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. This mamata, possession, what is called? Possessiveness, when more condensed, garatha dharma. That is called the love. When mamata more and more condensed, that prem also going up. As like the milk, dugdha, milk, you are boiling. Boiling. Then the milk also are thick. Then more, again and boil. Then coming rabdi coming, different also. Same milk and what is called condensed. Ghanibhut ho jata. Condensed. Then we are giving that different name. As a milk, not mixed anything. Same milk. Just use your, then you give him different name. And also so tasty. Sakha Prem, more condensed, Vatsala Prem. Vatsala Prem, more condensed, Garatha, then called Madhurya Prem, Gopi Prem. Mamata. So this Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. So for this we serve with our mamata. What kinds of mamata have you? That depends on your category. That types of devotees, Sakha devotees, Vatsalya devotees, and is called Madhurya devotee. Understand? So first understand what is the meaning of prema. Ananno mamata Vishnu. Mamata prema sangata. Uddhava Narada Kavide Koi. Uddhava Narada, all the high class devotees, they also glorify this. So Gopis prema is highest. And Gopis, that is called Parakya Bhava. So therefore this is really. Kamatmika also two ways. One is called Tattvad Bhavichatmika, and is called Sambhog Ichamani, they are saying this. So what can we have? Mamata. Everything depends on mamata. Mother Jasoda's heart, mamata and Shiva limit this way. Vatsalya. Sakhas, their mamata and service limit with Sakha Bhav. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhuttam dassangatanang paradaivatena maya sitanang nardarukena sardhang brijahu kritapunna punja. This world Sridham, Sakhas, how they are great fortune. They sometimes climb on the shoulder of Krishna, laughing, joking. They are giving their own remnants to Krishna. So saying, Ittang satang brahma sukhanu uttam dassang gatanang paradivatena maya sritanang naradarukena. Saddhang brijahu kritapunna punja. They just explain this way. Then Vatsalya Bhav. Then Vatsalya Bhav is higher than Sakha Bhav. So much mamata is there. Everything you say depends on mamata. What kinds of mamata? And that mamata should be give up what is called Oishcharya Rahit. Without opulence. Arjuna has also Sakha Bhav with Krishna. But that Sakha Bhav is mixed with opulence. Sugriva, he made friendship with Ramchandra. Sakha Bhav, but mixed with opulence. So this. But in Braj, Rakta Patra Dasya Bhav. Understand? But they are what is called no opulence. They are never thinking Krishna is Bhagavan. And they never think we are the servant of Krishna. We are the servant of Nanda Maharaj. Rakta Patra. Subal Siddham. That's a Sakha Bhav. Nanda Jasoda Madhurya Bhav. क्या बोले Vatsalya Bhav. Devaki Vasudev also Vatsalya Bhav, but mixed with opulence. Devaki Vasudev, they know that Krishna is my son, but he is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. For this regard, when Krishna Balaram came in the what is called Kamsa Karagar, in the prison house of Kamsa, and after killing Kamsa, then Krishna and Balaram entered in the prison house of Devaki Vasudeva. And Krishna Balaram tried to touch the lotus feet of Devaki and Vasudeva, but Vasudeva they don't allow. But no. Because they know he is our son, but he is Bhagavan. But remember these things. Narayan appeared and told these things. So they remember this. So that means that Vatsalya mixed with offering Krishna. And Nanda Jasoda, Visuddha Vatsal. And what did he say? Visuddha Vatsal. Completely pure parental mood. They never think Krishna is Bhagavan. Huh? Every day Krishna Balaram taking touch the lotus feet of Devaki and Vasudeva. Hey, what is it called? Nanda Jasoda. And Nanda Jasoda is also giving blessing. Huh? Look this way. Devaki Vasudeva, they are not giving blessing. They are not allowed to touch the lotus feet of, they don't allow to touch their feet. And Nanda Jasoda, come, slow down. Nanda Maharaj, he giving his feet on the head of Krishna and saying, hey Krishna, bring my shoes. Then Krishna, baby Krishna, cannot, lift the shoes of Nanda Maharaj and falling down. And that shoes also falling on his head. When baby fell down, and they say also shoes also falling. Look this. This lila is going on. Our gopis, prem and you cannot compare. They are mamata to this. Priyajadi man kari kare bhatsan vedastuti hoite mor hare mor man. Krishna says. Brahma, Shiva, all they are reciting the many mantras from Vedas. Understand? Brahma chanting, Govindam Adi Purusham Tamahang Bhajami. Brahmaji recited. Braj Gopi they recited. Naini Brajavasi recited. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamahang Bhajami. Hey, you are not. Understand? Govindam Adi Purusham. Who is reciting this? Brahma. That's Adi Purusham, your Bhagavan. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamahang Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamahang Bhajami. Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Brajavasi is not saying this. Brajavasi are saying. Krishna is our baby. He is very skinny. He is not eating. And mother Jasoda by force feeding the and makhan and this. Look this. You understand? So, Brahmaji feed to Krishna, no? Nothing. Brahmaji did not bring anything to offer to Krishna. Look at this. Brajavasis, they are offering to Krishna. Many kinds. Look at this. Gopi they cooked or not? And offering to Krishna. Krishna take this. Understand? Yeah, how they are. They are servicial mode. Gopi's mood is servicial mode. Seva vritti. In this matter, one male person, how many hours is working? Or female, how many hours working? You cannot believe. Vedic culture is saying this way. Mother, she works morning to late night. Her father going to school, college or something, this 8 hours, then laying down. Understand? Look this thing. If you compare in this material world, mother, she is working. She is servicing. How many hours? Many hours. Look this. Our male person? Male, what is they doing? Nothing doing. Jamuna, she is cooking and he is bringing one plate. After what you did, what is nothing. And you very tired. Oh, I am very tired. I am watching. Are you quick, cook or do anything? But nothing. What you did? Sleep. How many rounds chant? What is 16 rounds? Pagal. Huh? But she is cooking, servicing, chanting also 64 rounds. Shastra saying this. Ladies' service is unique and unparalleled. Unique and compare. This is true or wrong? For this regard, everybody, all sannyasis want to become Gopi. They are chanting Gopi mantra. Huh? Understand? No one to become male. They want to become what is what? Gopi. These are male person useless now. Is it true or wrong? Yes, Guru. Only eating and sleeping. And arguing. Quarreling.
He's doing some driving. He drives the car.
No, he drives. Females also drive, ladies also driving. Understand? I know our many devotees are also driving the car. What is called? Lorry, truck. Truck driver. Big truck also drive. This is true or wrong? So, according to their circumstance as doing. So this is the person. And how many gents are doing bhajan and sadhana? Look here, percentage. And how many male and how many female doing bhajan and sadhana? Which percentage is higher? Ladies. So ladies are first or not? Gents how many they? Look at that. And 70% ladies they are doing bhajan and sadhana. Only 30%. Gents are coming. In anywhere in spirituality you can see there. Ladies are first. Are you saying Benugita? Dhannasmo mudugato hiranna eta janandupatto vichitra vesam akarna venu runitam sakrishna sara puja dudung buracha pranayavaloke. Vishwanath Chakravarti explained. When Krishna played the flute, then the female deer running towards Krishna. Male deer little bit lazy. Okay, you go, I am coming. You understand? This is the kind.
Find my shoes.
This is the thing. So female deer running towards Krishna. Then male deer going behind her. Just saying this. Tannas mamurgatayu hiranna eta jananna patra vishitra vesam akarna venu runitam saha Krishna sara puja dudung virachaya pranaya valokai. Everywhere. Srimad Bhagavatam everywhere glorifies. Even the wife of Brahmana in Mathura, that is called Jaggik Brahman. They perform fire sacrifice. How to attend to Sargalok. Sargalok Maya. But when the wife of Brahmani, they heard Krishna Balaram has come. Look, they took all the paraphernalia of prasad of Jagga. They bringing towards Krishna. Samang hiranna paridir varnamallar baho. They stop to Krishna. And they bring towards Krishna. Jagnipatni Upakhand. My Gurudev, most of the time, he talked about the story of Jagnipatni, the wife of Brahmanas in Mathura. Samang Hiranna Paridhir Vanam Allarbaha. This stops Stuti. And Krishna told, say, you to return back. Understand? That then Jagnipatni, they told, no, we don't return back our house. Maybe our husband will not, etc. Then Krishna told, don't do it. And when you return back, your husband will worship your lotus feet. This is true. When Jagik Brahmanis, when the Brahmanis, wife of Brahmana, Brahmanis, when they return back, then they are the Brahmanas. They become very apologized, no? Lajjit. Are you? They apologize. We are Brahmana doing all the following all the rules, but our wives, they got take darshan to Govinda. You read this one. Very clearly explain this. And they also glorify their wives. Only where is saying one or two slokas, oh, ladies are inferior. They are looking one word saying that, what contest? Here Jagnipatni says, Brahmanas, they glorify their wife or not. You understand? These are things. Everywhere. My Gurudev always talk about this katha also. So, or where are they saying the ladies, those who are not following the rules. If you are not following the rules, the society will be destroyed. Rules or not? Follow the rules. Mother is woman, woman is mother. Only give the respect to your mother. Understand? Mother is woman, woman is mother. Always give the respect to the woman. Respect to the mother. The respect not means that you sit on my head. You understand? Okay, I give respect. That means, hey ladies, come and sit on my head. Or I cannot say, or ladies cannot say, I respect the gents. Oh, gents, come and sit on my head. This is not the subject. You give respect to each other. Gents give respect to ladies, ladies give to the respect to gents. This is both. Marjada, you know? Marjada, understand? What is the marjada? Etiquette. Proper etiquette. If you not proper etiquette, then big problem will come. Then sahajiya will come. So for this regard, our Vedic culture structure this way, step by step. Give the respect to each others, follow to the, give love and affection. And family's life means is also this way. Give to respect, husband give to respect the wife, or wife have to respect the husband. As a Ram Sita. Ramchandra. She give respect to Sita Devi. Very sweet words. He Priya, he Sita, very sweet words always. 40 or the 13th years, Ramchandra he was staying with Sita Devi, never quarrel. Or you can ask yourself, when wife and every day quarreling. This is your fault, she is saying your fault, he is saying your fault, then quarrel. But Ram, Sita, they are staying. They quarrel or not? No quarrel. Look at these things. Give respect. Sweet words. Ramchandra. He gives respect to Sita Devi. Sita Devi, she gives respect to Ram. This is the Vedic culture. Actual Bhagavan Ramchandra established the perfect, what is called? Vedic Varnashram Dharma. On the Vedic perfect structure of Vedic Varnashram Dharma, then same Ramchandra appeared in the form of Krishna. Then he performed sweet Leela, Rasa Leela. But the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain, first to follow Ramachandra. Then you come Krishna. Prem also has own marjada. Marjada, understand? Rules, etiquette is there. Everything is your own etiquette. I will give an example as the ocean. Ocean has own etiquette, marjada. Big waves coming. If you go Jagannath Puri, you can see big waves coming. As like mountain. Big waves coming. Then thinking, my God, maybe it will be this. But coming, and when coming in the shore and touch the shore and return back. Everything then. So in the same way, Prem is as like ocean. Understand? Prema Samudra. What do you say? Prema Samudra. Ocean of love. And big waves come. What is the waves? Waves is compared with different the mood. Bhav. Bhav Taranga. What do you say? Bhav Taranga. You understand not? Bhav means mood. Taranga means waves. Bhav Taranga. Uddhav, he was sitting on the beach and he was watching. What kinds of prem is there? Understand this? Vishwanath Chakravarti very nicely. If you did Brahmar Gita, I also explain this. Brahmar Gita very nicely explained. Uddhav, he was sitting on the very nice, beautiful beach. That is called the ocean of divine love. Prem Samudra. And Srimati Radhika's mood raised this. And sometimes Srimati Radhika's, she became very angry, mood. What is called? Man. That is called Man Rupi Parvat. And sometimes in the ocean, big mountain coming up. You have looking or not? Understand this? And the waves are coming, big waves, touch the mountain and try to overflow. Crossover. Sometimes crossover. But that waves cannot, what is it called? And mountain के पर्वत के को भी उखाड़ कर फेंक नहीं दे सकते. Cannot move the mountain. Understand? In the same way, Srimati Radhika's man as like mountain. And in the man is this Prem Samudra. Different waves, mood are coming. He is giving this example. Understand? That is called what is called? Bhavotpatti, Bhav Santi, Bhav Sabalya, and Bhav Sandhi. And four things are there coming in this. Give an example. Bhav Utpatti, one, Bhav mood, manifest. Bhav Utpatti. Then, after a few minutes, then that will then. Bhav Sabalya. And one, what is called? Waves going. And behind another waves going. Then the front waves going front. Then behind the waves and over jumped. And going this. If you see, when you sit on the beach, then you can see the waves, big waves coming. And behind another big waves coming. And sometimes these front waves and down, and behind the waves cross and coming this. That is called Bhav Sabalya. Or sometimes also there, one waves coming, another waves coming, meeting together. That is called Bhav Santi. Bhav Bhav, Sandhi. Sandhi means meeting together. This is going on. So this example is different mode. Prem Samudra. So the Bhav Sabalya, a Bhavotpatti, Bhavotpatti, Bhav Sabalya, Bhav Sandhi, Bhav Santi. Santi means you are calm and quiet. Couple of seconds you can see ocean completely what? Do not raise any waves. Just 1 second. And again raise, again going. Actually Bhamar Gita is saying this. Srimati Radhika's. This prem is going. Why I am saying Krishna Lila? First Ramchandra's Lila, then Krishna Lila. They don't understand. If you not follow the Ramchandra, not reading Ramayana, nothing about knowledge about Ramayana, I think I will become gopis. They are useless. Read Ramayana again. Many devotees think, oh, I read my previous life. Previous life, that the sanskar, you will sort your sanskar. You understand? Previous life, you read or you have this sanskar, not everything is also manifest. Just not the saying of this. Otherwise you become sahaja. Stupid nonsense, rascal. For this all acharya have you chastised. Follow the rules, Ramchandra's rules. Read Ramayana. Gurudev read Ramayana or not? Gurudev himself told, in my childhood, and I read all Ramayana, everything. Gurudev is a Nitya Mukta, he is the, what is it called? Eternal Srimati Radhika. What is it called? Raman Manjari. But he is showing to us his life history, showing to us. Why Gurudev he read Ramayana? Understand? Showing to us, teaching to us, sanskar, impression. Look this. Understand? Gurudev gave up everything or not? Gave up his wife, gave his small babies also to daughter, girls. Gurudev told him. Gave us high position, everything. And completely surrendered lotus feet of his Guru Bhakti Vargan Keshav Goswami. Could you do this? So, how do we become Manjari? Step by step come. Step by step come. Don't you think, oh, I am doing this and getting this sanskar. They are useless. Step by step. Bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy names, do bhajan and sadhana. Sanskar will come in this. You ask yourself how many rounds you are chanting. Answer it. This sanskar is just coming or not to chanting holy names. Namaruchi. How do you know your Namaruchi? Where Nama Bhakti Vinod Thakur, when your Namaruchi will come just to chanting holy names, that means your bhakti just in the beginning. Chanting holy, I think how many rounds, even many devotees also not chanting Gayatri Mantra. Understand? Understand? You cannot pretend. You cannot cheat. If you ask yourself, then automatically come. Otherwise, spiritual life is spoiled. And follow the rules. Bhajan and sadhana. And make also this good impression, sanskar. Vidhi marga rata jane, sadhinata ratna dane, rag marge karano pravesh. One who follows all the rules and regulations. Then he is qualified to enter in rag marga. Shruti, smriti, नारदादि पंचरात्रिं विधिं विना ऐकांतिकी हरेर भक्ति उत्पादकी केवलम. Learn every verse, everybody. Everybody learn this verse. Understand? What did he say? Shruti, Smriti, Naradadi, Pancharatrin Viding Vina. Vaikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevala. Utpadaki, there is disturbance bhakti. Those who are not following Shruti, Smriti, Narada Pancharatra, they think I am one-pointed. I am Radha Dasi. Maya Dasi, not saying I am Radha Dasi. Stupid nonsense. Okay, your aim and object, I admire, respect. I want to become. Not now. Now I want to become Medicine Srimati Radha. Not now. This is my aim. I want to become doctor. I want to become lawyer, judge. Not now. Not I am now baby. When I will go to school, college and do this, then I will become doctor. In the same way, we are saying, okay, our aim and object, how to become Medicine Srimati Radha Dasi. Now we are not Radha Dasi. Now we are Maya Dasi. Who is Dasi? Maya Dasi. Understand? Completely controlled with the last anger, Dasi Maya Dasi. Bhajan and sadhana. Aim and object these things. One day I will do. Become Medicine Srimati Radha Dasi. But follow the rules. Bhajan and sadhana. Chanting holy name, servicing Guru name, wake up early in the morning. Brahma Murta. Wake up early in the Brahma Murta. Brahma Murte Patati Prajatna Jastina Vrindavanat Saksa Sevaiva Labha Janusantaiva. And Gurvastak. Last verse. And explain this. And early in the morning wake up. And Samsaradava Nalanidalokam Thanaya Karuna Gana Ganayatam Rasakalano Gunanabhavasa Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Mahaprabhur Kirtananita Gita Bhadita Madan Manu Sarasena Romanchakam Pasru Taranga Bhajo Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Radhananitanana Sringaratan Mandiramajanado Yukta Sabhaktanscha Nijunyatopi Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Chaturvidha Sri Bhagavat Prasado Sadhvanna Triptan Hari Bhakta Sangha Kritaiva Tripting Bhajata Sadaiva Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Para Madhurya Leela Gunarupa Namna Pratikshana Dana Lalupasa Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Nikunjajuno Rati Keli Sedhai Yajali Vijukte Rapikshaniya Tatradi Daksha Dhoti Vallabhasa Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam Sakshadhoritrena Samastra Sastrai Ruktastatha Bhavata Eva Sadhi Kintu Prabhurya Priya Eva Tassa Bandi Guru Sri Charanarvindam प्रसादाद भगवत प्रसादो यस प्रसादाद नगते कुतयोपि हैं सुवंत यस श्री संदं वंदे गुरु श्री चरणरविंदं श्रीमद्गुरोरस्तकमितरुच्ये ब्रह्मे मुहूर्ते पठति प्रयत्ना यस्तेन वृन्दावननाथ साक्षात् सेवैव लभजन संतये वन्दे गुरु श्री चरण जस्तेन वृंदावननाथ साक्षात सेवैव लभ जनुसंतैव. What do you mean जनुसंतैव? After giving up this body, you will get spiritual body, Siddha there. Then you will direct serve to your Ishtadev. Jastena Vrindavananata Sakshat Sevaiva Labha Janus Anta Eva. They are saying this. To bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names, reading Shastra, listen Hari Katha, and simultaneously give up all kinds of bad association, asat sanga tag. Bad association, asat sanga tag. Associate with devotee, listen Hari Katha, bhajan and sadhan, step by step. There is a process also. And nothing, no knowledge, or reading Rasila Katha, you want to become Ras. Then all the Ras will be coming out from your body. You understand? Then big problem will come. Understand? So very carefully. Do bhajan sadhan, need again and do bhajan and sadhan. Chant holy names, learn Shastra. Sometimes we are speaking high level katha just to giving them some what is called greed. Because lopami bhakti lop will come. That means not saying, oh, you have become to Manjari and do this. And simultaneously heavy chastised. Hey, stupid nonsense. This is the process also. Don't you think you are now Manjari? You, what is you? Would be Manjari, na kya? Want to become Manjari. This is true. But now, follow this rule. Sadhaka this. Understand? Pallodasi kori. Now we are not Pallodasi. Now read it. Most will give intense Saranagati Kirtanam. Understand? Gopinath mamani vedana suna ami visayi durjana sada kamarata kichunai moraguna Gopinath mamani vedana suna. Every day, what is it called? To kirtan this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Gopinath, mama nivedana sana. Osura sakala paila charana vinada rohila poli. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this is called Dainatma Badika. Very humble and praise. Amar jivana sada pape rata nahi ka punne rolesa. Pare re udvega diyachi je kata diyachi jibera klesa. This is the, you sing this. Huh? Understand? This is very important. Who do this? You can check yourself how much your taste coming chanting holy names. Name ruchi. So name ruchi jive daya sarva dharma. Name ruchi jive daya sarva dharma sar. The essence of all dharma is here. Name ruchi jive daya. Test how test chanting holy names. Step by step. Tannam rupacharidadi sukritananu smrito kramena rasana manosi nijoj Ishtan vriji tadanuragi jananugami kalang nae dakhilamitta upadesa saram. Essence of all my instruction. Rupa Goswami Pada. What is that? Tannam rupacharitadi sukritanam smrito karmena rasana manasi tishtan braje. How do you stay? In Braj. Tishtan braje. Tada anuragi jananugami. Tad anuragi. Always follow the footsteps of pure devotee. One who heart completely absorbed in Braj. Tada anuragi jana anugami. Follow the footsteps of Braj gopis. Rupa Goswami Pada explain. What is called? Siddha. Siddha rupena sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatra. Sadhak group. In the form of sadhak, chanting holy names. Shankha Prabhaka Nama Gananati. If you are not chanting holy names, Shankha Prabhaka Nama, 100. I think I am Palla Dasi Kari. What is the Palla Dasi Kari? Pagal Dasi Kari. Pagal Dasi Kari. Yeah, Pagal Dasi Kari. What you ask? Yourself, how many rounds you are chanting or not? Name Ruchi. Gurudev, are you saying? What song? Palla Dasi Kari. Palla Dasi Kari, Pagal Dasi Kari. Palla Dasi Kari, Lalita Sundari, Pagali, Pagal Dasi Kari, Lalita Sundari. No? Sometimes chant. Okay, I'm not saying no. Sometimes chant. But not every time. Every time chant is what? Gopinath Mama Nivedana Suna, Amara Jivana Sada Papi Rata. Understand? Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori, Gauranga Balita Habi, Pulaka Sarira. This song. Not too high and not too low. Medium is good. Too high, then you become Sahaji. At that too low, then not taste will come. So saying, Hari Katha should be not too high and not too low. Too high, then everything is what? Blowing over your head. A lot too low, then taste will not come. Middle. Hari Katha. Pray to Krishna. Understand? You understand now? Otherwise, big problem will come. Chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Actual taste will come when more and more service, Guru Seva. Taste will come. And automatically all Tattva Siddhanta automatically manifest in what? Tattva Siddhanta automatically. This is the process also. Gaur Premanand. Understand or not? Huh? Take Mahaprasad and listen Hari Katha, chant holy names. Huh? Huh? Oh, 10:30 go there, no?
Yes.
10:30 there. 10:30 to 11:30 Kirtan. 11:30 to 12:30, 2 o'clock. Every day. 2:30. Huh? 10:30 Kirtan. Start. Eh? But 11, many devotees are not coming 11 o'clock, no? They are coming very late. They come from Prasad. So we are thinking, okay, you come to Prasad, listen Hari Katha. Otherwise, only they will take Prasad and go away. So, we are very tricky also. Okay, please Hari Katha. Huh? Then drama, when drama started, then everybody stopped to eat also. Eat or not? He stopped or not? I noticed they are not eating. Not distributing nothing. Huh? So drama.
You can see everybody. We cannot see anybody because everybody is behind us. You can see everybody. You can see what is happening.
So you should not see. Yeah. Yeah. Good Prabhuji, your name? Vasudev Prabhu.
We met in Birmingham.
Birmingham. Your name?
25 years ago.
25 years ago. Your name, Prabhu?
My name is Maheshwar Das.
Maheshwar Das. Ah, very nice. Okay. Huh? Bhakti Pramod. Jai.
Both Bhakti Pramod Puri. No, just one or just one? Just your new Prabhu, your Guru there?
Jai, 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 Shri Radha.